Why do Windows drivers cause hardware conflicts? Imagine plugging in a new printer or graphics card, and suddenly your computer acts strange or stops working properly. What's happening behind the scenes? It's often related to driver conflicts. Drivers are like translators that help your operating system talk to hardware devices. They tell hardware what to do and report back status updates. When multiple drivers try to control the same hardware or share system resources, problems can pop up. Drivers manage resources like interrupt request lines, which are signals that tell hardware to communicate with the CPU. They also handle memory addresses and input-output ports. If two drivers try to use the same resource at the same time, conflicts happen. This can cause devices to malfunction or not work at all. For example, two drivers might both want control over the same IRQ, leading to communication errors. Sometimes, driver conflicts happen because drivers are outdated or not compatible with your current Windows version. When a driver is corrupted or poorly written, it might request resources improperly or not releases them when done. This can cause other drivers to clash or the system to become unstable. Installing multiple drivers for the same device can also cause confusion. If you have a printer with two different drivers installed, Windows might get mixed signals about which one to use. Security features in Windows can also interfere. For example, memory integrity helps protect your system but might block drivers with minor vulnerabilities from loading. This can look like a conflict or device failure. From a system management perspective, tools like Device Manager help identify conflicts. If a device has a yellow exclamation mark, it's a sign there's a problem. Checking the Resources tab can show which resources are being shared or conflicted. Fixing these issues often involves updating drivers from the manufacturer's website, uninstalling and reinstalling drivers, or rolling back to a previous version. Sometimes, adjusting BIOS settings to reassign resources helps resolve conflicts. Disabling conflicting drivers temporarily can help pinpoint the problem. Windows also offers recovery options like Safe Mode or System Restore to fix severe issues. Compared to other operating systems, Windows supports a wide variety of hardware and drivers, which makes conflicts more common. Linux and macOS tend to have more controlled driver environments, reducing conflicts but limiting hardware options. In Windows, managing drivers is an ongoing process that requires attention to updates and system settings. In essence, driver conflicts happen because drivers need to share limited hardware resources and sometimes don't coordinate well. Outdated, incompatible, or poorly written drivers are the main culprits. Using Windows tools and best practices in driver management can help keep your hardware running smoothly and avoid conflicts.